Hello Sudoku friends, welcome. Today in additional with extra Sudokus, we have here 5 Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 8th, 2020. We have here a 1-star Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, a binary and a tectonic. We will first start with the 1-star Sudoku, and this will be number 1485. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. How many numbers, printed numbers, digits are in this Sudoku? The 1-star has always 27. Let me check if this is correct. We have here 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 3 is a 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, 23, 25 plus 2 is 27. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can we use? I see in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 5, and the 8 is missing. 1 and a 5 and a 8. We see here a 1 and a 5. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here a 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 8. Then in this column, the second column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this big square. So no 1 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. But this is 1 and a 7. Let me mark them for you. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 3 is missing, 4, 5, the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 3, 6, and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. That means 1 digit left should be the 3. 4, 9, and 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then Yeah. I'm thinking. What shall I do? Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here or could be there. In one of these two boxes, in this column is a 5. In that column, we have a 5 over there. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for a 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? Whoa. 1 and 3. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the second row, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I've marked these two boxes with the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 1. Yeah, my alarm goes off. Alright. How about the number? Yeah, 3, 6, and a 9. 3, 6, and a 9. Yeah. 9, 4, and a 2. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1. And then these two numbers in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 6, let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 6. 9, 6, and 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place for a 7 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There 7, no 7 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. How about 6, 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here the 4 and the 6. So in this box cannot be the 4 and the 6. One digit left should be the 9. The 4 and the 6 goes in these two boxes. That means we have a 6 in this second row. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 9 and this should be a 6. Alright, one box left in this row. For the number 9, one box left in this big square. For the number 8, 8 is missing. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. One number left in the first column for the number 8, I believe. 8 is missing. 8, 6, and 5. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6, 5. How about 5 here? How about the number? Yeah. 4. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 1. Here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5 because those 2 dots are reserved for the 5. But let me count first, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4. So here goes the 5, because 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and the 2, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make this by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in a minute with the second one, a 2-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.